good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 6 from verse 25 to verse 40. Jesus are the bread we give people life. When them find him on the other side of the lake, them say to him, say, "Teacher, and when you reach over here so?" So Jesus answered them and say, "I'm going to tell you no sitting, but true. You not look for me true to see the big and powerful miracle them when you see me do. No, you they look for me because you get food for yam on your belly full. No work for food we can spoil, and we not going to last no time. Work for the kind of food we are going to make you live forever. And that the food the man where God pick when give you. Father God put him special mark on him for sure say him have the right for do him do. So them ask him say, what we must do so we can do what God want we to do? Jesus answered them and say, and this God want we to do. Him want we to trust in the one where him send come. So they ask him say, what kind of powerful miracle you going to do for we so we can see it and believe in you? What you are going to do? We father them did near manna in the desert. It right down in a God's word say, him give them food from out of heaven for nyam. So Jesus said to them, say, me I tell you for true. And our bread will come from out of heaven Moses give you. My father are the one where they give you the real food from out of heaven. Because the somebody will come down from out of heaven and we give life to the people them where they in the world. And him are the food where God give. So sir, them said to him, give it the food there and not tap give it. Then Jesus said to them, say, and me are the bread we give life. This somebody will come to me now go hungry again. This somebody will trust in me now go thirsty again. But like me tell you already, you see me and still you not trust in me. Everybody where the Father give me, I go come to me. And me not go run them. Because me come down from out of heaven for do what God want me to do. Not for do me one thing. And this the one we send me one. Him want me to not make none of the people them when him give me last. Him want me to make them come back alive on the last day. Because my father want everybody we see the boy picnic for who him really be. And we trust in him to live forever. And me, I go make them come back alive on the last day. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God